Okay, here's my preparation. We are going to do a lesson plan on the grapes of math. So we have grapes, we have a calculator, and we have some old-fashioned math that we're going to be doing here. And then here's my lesson plan template. And we got some artwork that we've done a little bit and have to do a little bit more and a little bit better at that. So this is my prep, and I gotta bring in the kids. Be right back. The grapes of math.
Fish are in this class. Answer quick, and you will pass. Here's a hint, a little clue. When counting fish, just look askew. The grapes of math. I stroll along a vineyard path, and there I see the grapes of math.
I see it.
Okay, guys. So you see how there's 5 in the first row?
Yeah.
Well, now because I know how to count 5, 10, 15, 20. Oops, excuse me. Oh no, I missed. Where is that one page? Right there.
How do I count them all?
Pause it.
Cheers.
No. Right there. Okay, pause that right there. So you see how there's 5 right there? Well, basically you can count by 5s. Remember? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. But then you have how many missing?
That one right there.
How many missing?
I think
Hold on one sec. How many missing, guys?
1, 2, 3.
That's right, 3. So you count 25 and then you minus 3. How many is that? Let's count together. 24, 23. No, you're counting down. 24, 23, 22. Stop. See? So now instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 22, you can just go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, minus 3, 22.
Yeah.
So what did you say it was called, Roman?
Skip counting.
Skip counting. Okay, and what kind of skip counting will we be doing this one?
2, 4, 6.
Okay, but are there 2 or are they 3 right there?
3.
They're 3. So what
Three,
are we skip
three.
counting, guys?
3.
3. So elaborate on that. What's a skip count on 3s?
3.
6,
4.
9,
9.
12.
12.
Good. So we could go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
15.
So we know there's 15 little bumps there without even having to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All of you hold up 2. Okay, now we're going to count by 2. And we're going to do it on here. Watch this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 33. So now we just skip counted using 2s. Hi, Mr. Chris here, again with a fun lesson on the grapes of math. Today we're counting with grapes. How do you guys like grapes?
I do.
Oh, you do? Do you like grapes? What's your favorite? Do you like red or green grapes better?
I like the green ones.
The green ones? Okay, well today we're doing red grapes, and we're going to split them up, and we're going to figure out some ways that we can sort them and count them faster. We just learned about skip counting with the Grapes of Math video, and so we're going to skip count some of these grapes to see if we can count them all. So I'm going to give some to Roman, some to Abriel, and some to Laria. Don't touch yours and don't touch yours. But right now, Laria, would you go ahead and try and count these? First of all, how would you count these the fastest?
There's only
Just
4
based on how they're arranged. Based on how they're arranged. Abriel, not yet. Laria, based on how they're arranged in no particular order, what's the fastest way to? Not yet. Not your turn. What's the fastest way to count these? How would you count?
Counting by fives.
So you're gonna grab them in groups of 5? Okay, let's try it. Let's see if she can do groups of 5.
5,
5,
10,
10,
15,
good.
20,
Okay,
25.
good job, very good. Okay, now Aubrielle, what kind of counting would you do here? Would you count by ones? Would you just count each one individually? How many do you have here, Aubrielle?
4.
4, you got it. Okay, next time I would like to see you count, okay? All right, now moving over here to Roman. Roman's got a couple more, but again, he doesn't have to count by 5s. Let's see if you can count by 2s, because you got really good at that yesterday. So go ahead and grab 2 at a time. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that, okay? Can you do it? Let's see if you can do it. 2.
2, 3,
Everyone else quiet. 4, 6,
8,
8. Uh-oh, they're getting in the way. Here we go. Don't forget these 2.
8,
Those are 10.
10. No, it's a little weight.
Good.
Here you go.
14.
20.
Not quite. 14, 15, 16. So you have 16. Good job. Okay. All right, we're going to pause it right there. Okay, welcome back. Our next activity, we are going to arrange our grapes in an equation. So, starting with Roman this time. Roman, do you have an equation for us using the grapes? You do? Okay, can you explain what your equation is? Go ahead.
2 plus 2 equals 4.
Okay, so you did 2 grapes plus 2 grapes equals 4 grapes. Marvelous. Great job. Aubrielle, did you do an equation here? Can you show us?
4 plus 1 equals 2.
Wow, that's tremendous. High five. Brother, you too. Good job. Both of you so far, so good. All right, now we're going to see what the 3rd grader can do. What is your equation, Larita?
Mine is 3 plus 2 equals 5.
3 plus 2 equals 5. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Thank you very much, Miss Lafayette. And we're back with the grapes of math. Okay, this time we're going to do subtraction word problem
8.
using the grapes in front of us. Abby, thank you. Okay, Laria, so you have how many grapes in front of you? And you're going to do an equation. 22. Okay, so you already counted those out. Okay, so what's your equation?
My equation is 22 minus 11.
Okay, so take away those 11. Try to separate
Like
them.
this.
And how many do you have left over?
I have left over 11.
Oh, 11. Beautiful. Okay, perfect. Now, Aubrielle, you have how many grapes in front of you?
4.
4. Good. And you're going to do an equation. So it's 4. Take away how many?
3.
Okay, so take them away with your hand. Take 3 away. And how many do you have left over?
4. 1.
1 left over.
Ready.
Good job. Okay, Roman, you're the last one. You're going to do a subtraction problem with the grapes. So how many do you have in front of you?
7.
7. So you're going to do 7. Take away what?
5.
Okay. So 7. Take away 5.
Equals 2.
Equals 2. Excellent job. Okay, welcome back. And this time we are going to focus on some art with our math, with our grapes. We're going to go ahead and do what's called cluster counting. And we're going to cluster our grapes together, right, Aubrielle? And then we're going to count them, and that's going to equal an equation down below. So a cluster of 6 plus a cluster of 7 equals 13. Okay, let's see what they do. And we can go ahead and pause for now, and we'll show you how they do. Okay, we're back to see the results from our art and math exercise. Aubrielle, look right here. I have a cluster of 6 grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 is down here. Then I have a cluster of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grapes, and that is 13. So that is my equation. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Go ahead and sit down. Okay, and then we're going to go to Laria's first. Okay, can you go ahead and spin this around, show the camera. So she wrote some artwork here, and then she's got some grapes here. Why don't you tell us what you got?
I did 10 and 18 plus this little explanation mark because you don't know what it is.
Question mark.
And then I did this 10 plus 18 equals 28.
Wonderful, that's great. Okay, on to the next one. Now we have a cluster of, oh, right here it looks like. How many do you have here, Abby?
Ha! It's upside down.
It's upside down. Do you remember how many was there?
10.
10. Good job. Good memory. Very good. Okay, you had 10 there, and then 7 here, right?
7.
That's
So
right.
that was
And then do you
7.
remember what 10 plus 7 equals? Do you remember how you have a 1 and a 7 together down here? What was that?
17.
17, you're right. Good job. Okay, over here to Roman. Can you tell the camera how many grapes you have? Clusters, grape clusters.
So I have 28 and 14.
Okay, and then
So
explain your equation here. You can turn it around or turn it towards you so you can see it.
28 plus 14 equals 42.
That's correct. Excellent job. You guys did a phenomenal job. I'm very proud of you counting with grapes today in the grapes. This has been fun with the grapes of math.